Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
A federal high court sitting in Uyo last week nullified primary elections conducted by the All Progressives Congress APC in Akwa Ibom State in May this year. Presiding Judge Agatha Okeke, in her judgment, held that aspirants were not given equal opportunity to campaign and ordered the conduct of fresh primaries within 14 days. The court also voided the nomination of Akan Udofia as governorship candidate of the APC and barred him from contesting the rescheduled governorship primaries of the party, noting that his membership of the party was not up to 30 days at the time of his nomination. It will be recalled that the sacked APC governorship candidate was a leading governorship aspirant on the platform of the PDP, who defected to the opposition party roughly 2 weeks before its governorship primaries. The National Working Committee of the APC had on the 12th of May 2022 granted Mr. Udofia'S application for a waiver to contest its governorship primaries in Akwa Ibom State. Barrister Kufre Okun, an Uyo-based lawyer, while throwing light on the judgment, observed that the waiver granted Mr. Udofia was without authorization and lacked legitimate backing.
That waiver that was granted became an issue. It became an issue in the sense that there was no signature on the documents, and the person who authorized, the name of the person who authorized the waiver was not also on the document, was not indicated on the document. So the law is very clear. An unsigned document without a name is just a mere piece of paper. It does not have the probative value.
The embattled governorship candidate of the APC is said to have filed an appeal to challenge the nullification of his nomination.
Inside the Niger Delta,